How to create a playlist in Suno AI. If you want to create a playlist on Suno AI, it's very simple. First, you open up your browser, go to suno.com and make sure to log into your respective account. And once you're logged into your account, what you want to do is on the left hand side, you can simply go to the option called library and make sure to click on it. Then when you go to library, these are the options that you'll find. From the top, just go to the playlist section. And there you can see the option called create playlist. So you can click on create playlist option. Then you can simply give your playlist a name that you want. You can add in a description and you can also choose to upload an image and hit the save button. Next time you've got any song that you want to add to your playlist, you can simply first of all go to your library, click on the three dots icon next to it, and then simply select add to playlist and then simply select your playlist from the menu. This way you can go ahead and then create a playlist on Suno AI. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.